Hi, what you're seeing now is the 10th issue of my Raspberry Pi Robotics vacuum cleaner project. There's a big difference now compared to my previous issue of this menu. You can now see on the screen all the active GPIOs. I am utilizing now the 15 GPIOs terminals. There are 2 more remaining which is not used at this moment. Also, there are so many modifications being done on this robot. You can see a regulator here. This is an 8 volts regulator. Another 8 volts regulator here, and this is the 5 volts regulator for the Raspberry Pi. Originally, this is the big regulator which I replaced with a small one. At the bottom compartment of this robot, there are 2 circuit boards. This is originally the ultrasonic circuit board, which I managed to do some minor modification so it will work with the read sensor I installed on the wheel. This is the wiring for the read magnetic sensor, which detect the rotation of the wheel. And this is circuit board is another infrared sensor. Installed at the bottom of the chassis here, somewhere here. You can see the infrared here, and next to that is the receiver here. I'm using now also the lithium-ion batteries rated at a total of 7.2 milliampere hour, according to individual specification of this lithium-ion power banks. But I doubt, since this is made in China, that this is the actual capacity of each battery. It's rated 3.6 ampere hour for each battery, 5 volts. So I connected it in series and in parallel to produce the 7.2 ampere hour and 12 volts. Another modification I made on this robot is I installed the ultrasonic on its body inside. As you can see it here. This is a 1 watt audio video modulator. And the old camera. The infrared sensor, which I'm fabricated originally. And now I'll show you if the battery is fully charged, it will work autonomously. The power button is still using the wireless mini keyboard. Pressing M. On manual mode. Now the camera. I need to use 2 fingers to press these 2 buttons, C, A, and Z for the camera. Anyway, autonomous key, letter P. Oops. Then manual mode, then from this. This is now the autonomous mode.